We've just acquired this lovely looking low mileage BMW 116 diesel sport. Absolutely stunning condition, absolutely immaculate diamond cut alloy wheels. It's a facelift model. It's got the rear park distance control. Boot area is in lovely condition. It's got electric windows, electric mirrors. Interior is in stunning condition throughout. It's got automatic headlights. It's done 56,481 miles. It's got satellite navigation, climate control, 6-speed gearbox, different driving styles. Where you can have sport, comfort or eco pro. Media pack, Bluetooth, cruise control, USB and an aux, 2 keys and locking wheel nut. Absolutely lovely. At DJH, offer full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.